Hey, 6 inches of snow.
Think so?
Yeah, judging by that. Wow. So fluffy though. I like it.
See underneath it's so wet.
Ah,
It's gonna freeze. See, it's so wet.
yeah.
That means tonight it's gonna freeze, and when I wake up this morning, in the morning, I'm gonna go early. I'm gonna go sheet of ice.
Oh yeah. Oh, you need to heat up the car.
Yeah, good. But when there's 6 inches of ice around the car,
Oh yeah, if you did not clean it, that would be a problem.
they're gonna make it in the wrong time.
Wow. Can I do it?
Huh?
Let me do it.
Yeah, sure.
Hold it like this.
No problem. Here you go.
And get me on the camera. Oh, it's so cold. The ice and it gets to my head.
Oh yeah, it's cold. See my fingers? Look.
I thought it was just so easy to do.
Huh?
The ice, I think, is melting.
Yeah, because the car started.
Yeah. Stop it for now.
Huh?
I'll zoom. Okay, I think that would be good.